Well, what a difference a day makes. Hello, Jamie Vincent here, reporting for RJ&JT News. After yesterday's storm and torrential rain, the sun has now come out. The rain finally stopped here in North Wales at around 5 AM this morning. It was forecast to continue until 11 AM, but thankfully subsided earlier. It is sad to report that in certain areas, the flooding entered people's homes. We were more fortunate here, and the river, although raging, didn't break far over its banks. Here are the sites, which is further up the hill. The water has receded fairly quickly, and as you can see, the water that was flowing here yesterday has now gone. This is mainly due to the pond at the lower end of the field. We will now go over to our reporter Richard, who is pond side.
Yes, thank you, Jamie. And here I am at pondside at the bottom of the campsite field, and as you can see here we have got the pond, which at the moment is really full. The good thing here though is that not many of campsites have this where the field can drain. So what it's actually done for here is actually drained the field quite well, and we haven't got the river flowing through it as it was yesterday. The pond also has a pump in there which is pumping out the water into a adjoining field which they don't use for camping.
We then took a walk around the field. We found that there was only a few wet patches. Most of the field had begun to dry. We will now go down to the river to see how it looks.
So here we are now at Riverside, and the rain has been stopped around 6 hours, yet as you can see the river is still raging. We will try and get as close to the water's edge as we can for you. Here you can see a couple of benches which would normally be on a path for people to be able to sit and enjoy the scenery. Here we can see a local resident who refused to comment but was happy to give us a wave. We are stood on Kergurley Bridge looking over, and this is the highest that we've ever seen this river. So there we are, the rain has finally stopped after almost 48 hours. Torrential at times, a good part of that, and the drying process now starts. So this is Richard Vincent reporting in North Wales for you, our RJ&JT News viewers. Until next time, where we hopefully will have better news to report. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.